Okay, so yesterday evening, I came back from Retro Rides gathering at Charlesley Walsh. I blew the gearbox and, well, Diff, gearbox, maybe both, on the Scimitar. So today I'm going to be taking that out and putting in my spare. Thing is, my spare is in my comma, but I wanted to take that out anyway because I'm going to put an automatic in that. So yeah, let's get on with it. Too easy. Okay, so judging from the noise that this was making when it blew up, I thought that the diff was broken, but I also think the gearbox is broken. And if you blow up a diff and it locks solid, and the gearbox is trying to put all that force through it, something else is going to give. You can even snap prop shafts and wind prop shafts up doing it. So if you look at that wheel there, either of them, I've got a good amount of nothing going on, right? But also when you've got the engine running and the even when you foot off the clutch and you're not in gear, so the input shaft is spinning, all the gears are spinning. It's just the gears aren't connected to the output shaft. It's still very noisy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect the prop shaft from the front of the gearbox, from the output of the gearbox, and yeah, and I'm going to start it up and see if it still makes noise, and then I can determine whether it's just the input shaft, just the diff that's broken, or if it's the gearbox as well. So okay, so prop shaft disconnected. I'm just going to start it up and see what noises it makes. Happy. It's definitely both. Time to get the gearbox out. issues the other day, and I thought I'd broken it, and it turned out I hadn't. Couldn't get full for reverse, and there's this little pin. It's got like a spring clip on each end. The spring clip at the top had come off, and it had fallen out halfway, and it was buttoned up against the gearbox, and I couldn't select gears, but that was nothing compared to this. Sometimes the best way to get the top bell housing bolt is basically using every single extension bar you've got. Experience in pulling gearboxes apart, but I'm going to have to go with this one because it's knackered anyway, and it'd be interesting to see what's destroyed on it. Right, I've just spent ages taking it apart and taking the gearbox apart, and tell you what, can't actually find anything wrong with it. Bloody wasting my time again. Yeah, so as healthy as the rest of the Diff, like the rest of the gears even. First gear on the low shaft has got no real teeth left. And then where because that gear, when you're in first, that'll be attached to the output shaft. The output shaft obviously did not spin, and yeah, gears just eating gears. And there's just some of them I dug out the box. Yeah, so as much as I'd like to put my spare box in, it wouldn't take long to do. Well, I've not built up my spare axle, and my spare axle has got this in it, Jag Powerlock limited slip diff, which I need to finish up shimming to get the correct backlash on it and the like wear pattern on it. Yeah, so that's it for now until I get that shimmed up, and then I'll fit my spare box and this axle, yeah, and then we'll be good to go. And hopefully I'll modify this axle to reduce tramp, as that I'm adamant that is what killed it. These are the suspension where the 4-link suspension arms mount to the car, and apparently if you raise this one higher up, that'll prevent the axle twisting and then your wheel hopping up and down, you get an axle tramp. So yeah, modify this axle, shim the diff, fit my spare gearbox, fit this, and then yeah, we're good to go. That's it for now.